Problem on D'Alembert's principle. Problem. Two rough planes inclined at 30 degrees and 60 degrees to the horizontal are placed back to back as shown in figure. The blocks of weights 50 Newton and 100 Newton are placed on the faces and are connected by a string running parallel to the planes and passing over a frictionless pulley. If the coefficient of friction between the planes and the blocks is 1 by 3, find the resulting acceleration and tension in the string. So first of all, what is given data? So given data, weight of the block 1 W1 is equal to 50 Newton. So weight of the block 2 W2 is equal to 100 Newton. Coefficient of friction mu equal to 1 by 3. Finally, we have to calculate the acceleration of the block A and tension of the string T. So this one is the given figure. So here this block is 100 Newton. Here the block is 50 Newton. So first of all, we have to calculate the direction of motion. So for finding the direction of motion, so you have to calculate the component along the plane. The component along the plane for 100 Newton block is 100 sin 60. So it is equal to 86.60 newtons. So what is the component along the plane for 50 newtons? So it is 50 sin 30. It is equal to 25 Newton. Okay. So which one is the greater value? 86.60 newtons or 25 newtons? So 86.60 is the greater value. So the direction of motion is towards 100 Newton. The direction of motion is towards 100 Newton. So for 100 Newton block, the block is moving downwards. So the direction of motion is downwards. The inertia force and friction force acting upwards. So for 50 newtons, the direction of motion is upwards. The friction force and inertia force acting downwards. The friction force and inertia forces are the resisting forces. So these forces are acting always opposite to the direction of motion. Now FBD of block 100 Newton. So this one is the block 100 Newton. So here the contact between the plane and the block, a normal reaction is generated. So here the weight of the block 100 Newton acting downwards. The component normal to the plane is 100 cos 60. The component along the plane is 100 sin 60. So here this one is the string. The tension of the string is always acting away from the block. So the tension of the string acting upwards. So here the direction of motion is downwards. The friction force and inertia force acting upwards. The friction force and inertia force are acting always opposite to the direction of motion. Now consider equilibrium of the block. So now apply the equilibrium conditions to the plane. Now resolving the forces normal to the plane. So now sigma F equal to 0. So what is sigma Fy equal to 0? The sum of the forces in vertical direction is 0. So what are the forces acting normal to the plane? N and 100 cos 60. N acting upwards and 100 cos 60 acting downwards. The force which is acting upwards is positive. The force which is acting downwards is negative. So normal reaction N is positive and 100 cos 60 is negative. So N minus 100 cos 60 is equal to 0. So N equal to 100 cos 60. So what is cos 60? 1 by 2. So N equal to 50 newtons. Now resolving the forces along the plane. So sigma Fx equal to 0. The sum of the forces in horizontal direction is 0. So what are the forces along the plane? 100 sin 60, tension force, inertia force and friction force are acting along the plane. So now what is the force in direction of motion? 100 sin 60 is the force in direction of motion, so it is positive. Friction force, inertia force and tension force acting opposite to the direction of motion, so all these forces are negative forces. 100 sin 60 minus friction force minus inertia force minus tension force is equal to 0. 100 sin 60 minus mu n minus WA by Z minus T equal to 0. So 100 into, so what is sin 60? 0.866. Mu is 1 by 3, N is 50. So WA by Z, what is W? 100. G is 9.81 into A minus T equal to 0. So 86.60 minus 16.67 minus 10.19A minus T equal to 0. T plus 10.19A is equal to 69.93. This one is the equation number 1. Now FBD of block 50 newtons. Okay, this one is the 50 Newton block. So here the contact between the block and the plane in normal reaction is generated. So here weight of the block 50 Newton acting downwards. So the component normal to the plane is 50 cos 30. The component along the plane is 50 sin 30 degree. So here this one is the string. The tension force is acting always away from the block. So the tension is acting upwards. So now the direction of motion is upwards. The inertia force and friction force acting downwards. The inertia force and friction force are acting always opposite to the direction of motion. So consider equilibrium of the block. Now apply the equilibrium conditions to the plane. So now resolving the forces normal to the plane. Now sigma Fi equal to 0. The sum of the forces in vertical direction is 0. Now what are the forces normal to the plane? Normal reaction and 50 cos 30 degree. The upward force is positive and here the downward force is negative. So N is positive and 50 cos 30 is negative. N minus 50 cos 30 degree equal to 0. N equal to 50 into what is cos 30? 0.8660 is equal to 0. N equal to 43.3 newtons. So now resolving the forces along the plane. What are the forces along the plane? Tension force, friction force, inertia force and 50 sin 30 degree. The forces which are acting in the direction of motion is positive. So what is the force acting in direction of motion? So tension is the force in direction of motion. So tension is positive. And all the remaining forces are negative. So tension force minus friction force minus inertia force minus 50 sin 30 degree equal to 0. So T minus what is mu? 1 by 3. N is 43.3. So W by Z. W is 50. G is 9.81 minus 50 into sin 30. So what is sin 30? 1 by 2 equal to 0. So T minus 14.43. So minus 5.097A minus 25 equal to 0. So T minus 5.097A is equal to 39.43. This one is the equation number 2. By solving the equations 1 and 2, we get, so T plus 10.19A equal to 69.93. T minus 5.097A is equal to 39.43. This one is the equation number 2. So by solving these two equations, tension in the string T equal to 49.6 newtons and acceleration of the block A equal to 1.9947 meter per second square.